Soak the rice in water for 3 hours and then drain out the water. Leave the rice in the strainer to dry out before roasting in ghee. To a hot pan, add in a tablespoon and a half of ghee, the whole spices, cashew, add the sliced onions, and the slit green chillies, and stir fry them until translucent. Then add in a tablespoon of ginger and a tablespoon of garlic. At this stage, add in the spice powders, turmeric, fennel, and coriander. I would recommend dry roasting the whole spices first, grind it to a powder, and then use it to extract all the flavors. Add the tomatoes and sauté it until they're nice and soft. At this stage, make sure you wash the mint and coriander leaves thoroughly. If you can source organic leaves, then add them only after the rice is cooked. Add in the vegetables, the peas, carrot and the beans, and give them a quick toss. And add in the mint and coriander leaves as well. In a kettle or a pan, add in 4 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Add a tablespoon of salt and lime juice. Add in the drained rice and stir fry until it turns opaque. Then add the cashew paste. Add the hot water. Mix it well with rice, close it with a lid and let it cook for 15 minutes. Once you turn off the flame, don't be tempted to open the lid. Let it rest for another 15 minutes. Roast some cashew in ghee and you can use that for garnish. You could also use cilantro.